The new wheel bearings in my Dana 60 have fully seated, which means there's a bit of play in them. So today, I'll show you how to properly set the wheel bearing preload on a Dana 60 using Ford's factory procedure. Starting with the first lock nut. This is the one with the small nipple on it. You'll need a special socket to tighten it. I'll have a link in the description to the one that I'm using below. We're going to torque it to 50 foot-pounds as the wheel is being rotated. Spinning the wheel helps center the bearing as the force is being applied. Once it's at 50 foot-pounds, back the nut off 90 degrees. This is what actually sets the bearing preload. Every step after this is to keep this nut from backing off. From there, the washer with the holes in it can go on. Make sure it actually goes through the nipple on the first nut. You can move the nut slightly to align it. If for whatever reason that nipple breaks off, you'll have to buy a new lock nut. With that in place, the last nut can go on. This one gets torqued from 160 to 205 foot-pounds. After putting the manual locker back in, I gave it a quick shake and everything checked out.
Very nice.
So that is how you set the preload on one of these Dana 60s. If you want to verify that the locker was installed in the correct order, you can watch this video right here.